Hi, welcome to your science lecture. This is a lecture of New York Region's Earth Science. Our topic is the structure of the Earth. Our question of focus is, how is the atmosphere divided? Let's take a look at Earth's layers. The Earth is divided into three layers. There is the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the lithosphere. So let's take a look at the atmosphere first. The atmosphere is an envelope of gases that surround the planet. So you can see we have a very small area in which the atmosphere surrounds the planet, and when you look at the size of the planet, our atmosphere is very thin. So let's take a look at the atmospheric composition. The atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and the rest are assorted gases. Now, the atmosphere is unique to our solar system because the atmosphere maintains life on Earth. The life on Earth maintains the condition of the atmosphere. So we can see it is a feedback, it is a loop. So let's take a look at the atmosphere's layers. So we turn to the Earth Science Reference Table and we look at page 14. We see that the temperature varies wildly throughout the layers, giving us different qualities of air, thus different layers of atmosphere. There are four layers of the atmosphere. There is the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the thermosphere. The layers are characterized by temperatures and boundaries known as pauses. So at the top of the troposphere, you have the tropopause. At the top of the stratosphere, you have the stratopause. At the top of the mesosphere, the mesopause. Now let's take a look at the hydrosphere. 71% of the Earth is covered by oceans, and Earth is the only planet in our solar system that we know that has liquid water on its surface. The lithosphere is a dense, solid shell of Earth composed of rock and soil that surrounds the fluid inner layers. And when we say solid in that we can walk on it, but the surface itself is actually cracked and broken into several pieces that we know as tectonic plates, but we'll get to that later. So the lithosphere is, as we say here, this is the crust of the liquid layers. One would only get to a solid layer once we get to the inner core. To take another look at this, we have the crust, then we have the plastic mantle, plastic meaning a solid that flows, and this is known as the asthenosphere, and then we have the stiffer mantle and the outer core, and then the solid inner core made of nickel and iron. Well, that's it for today for the structure of the Earth. Bye!